You can fake a lot of things in the trading space. You can fake screenshots, you can fake profits, and you can fake the lifestyle. But one thing you cannot fake is trading live. And I do that every single day. I'm going to show you a trade here that I took on NQ live with Mr. Zink and the Ageful team using the Ageful data. Let me show you what I did. So as you can see, this is me trading NQ live off the daily view app with Mr. Zink himself and the Ageful team. Let me give you some stats that help me with confidence on this trade. So this is the Ageful dashboard. As you can see, I had an 80% chance that we were actually going to close as a green or bullish closing day once we took out the previous day's highs. We took out those previous day's highs, and that gives me the extra confidence that we were going to look for moves or extensions higher off that daily view app. And this is the P&L that I put up on my prop firm account. So I hope that you guys aren't trading today. The casino is closed. No trading with the bank holiday this Friday, right? If you hit the link in my bio, he has a bunch of prop firms that you can trade with. We'll see you guys all live on stream.